and then it froze into ice, and now it's beginning to melt a little bit. It was so fun watching Buddy running around in the ice last night. Every time he'd take a step, it would make a noise. It'd like crunch, 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 and oh, he just ran all over the place. It's almost like he just enjoyed hearing the noise of his feet that were making on the ice. It was inspiring to him. It's actually feeling pretty warm. It's up about 31 or so, but with the sun shining, it feels pretty warm. I was thinking I'd go down to the banjo shed and get a heater running. I've got 2 little electric heaters in there now, but I've got some propane gas bottle heaters over there. And I'm going to try to see if I can get the golf cart down there and load one of them on that. On this ice, I think the ice may be crunchy enough where I can get away with it. We'll see. We'll see what happens, y'all. Whee! Oh, the joy. If I had a big enough space, I'd get the rat rod out and do donuts in the snow like I used to do up in Maine. You want to ride? Buddy! You want to ride? Come on out, buddy. Listen to him. Little feet going clunkety clunkety clunk. Yeah, you're so cute. Let's put a camera here where everybody can see you. Hey, like that. Now everybody can see Buddy, right? Say, look into the camera, say hi. Hi, everybody. I'm riding with Daddy. Whee, here we go. On the ice. Whee. I got a bunch of propane bottles over here. This particular one has the thing right on it. I'm going to see if I can set it in the floor over here. Then ride it around to the banjo barn. Yeah, look at that. Hey, Daddy, what's that for? You gonna ride with me some more, or you gonna walk from here? Okay. My boy. That's my buddy boy. Oh yeah, baby. Almost warm enough down here where it feels like I might not even need a heater, but I'll go ahead and warm it up anyway. I do want to get into this area, start getting a little work done. My thinking is that if that's on, it throws out a lot of heat, and this metal door should be pretty non-flammable. I mean, there's nothing really there to catch fire unless this thing were to, but I think with this distance I'm okay. But my thinking is with this throwing heat right out on the door, it'll heat up the door, and the door will help to heat up the garage. And I've got my little electric heater over here, and I've got one over there, and they're running. So I'm gonna go back up to the house. I've also got a computer that I used to use up in Maine, and it sat down here so long that the keyboard and the little pad you use, whatchamacallit pad, none of that work anymore. But I bought these ones, and they take batteries, so I'm going to bring some batteries back with me, and we're going to hook these up, see if I can get the keyboard and the mouse working. And then at least if I wanted to, I could get some music playing down here. Something like that. Make it a little more comfortable. So let's see if we can get the golf cart back up the hill. Woo! A little water drop went right down my back of my neck there. Let's see what happens. See what happens when we try this. Oh, that's good. We're getting some traction on the snowy, icy stuff. Let's see if we can get up the hill. Oh, we're doing a little fishtail here. But we're making it. I think I'll leave this right out in the sunshine. I think I just dropped something. Probably my phone. Yeah, I dropped my phone. It's back there. See if I can get back here without falling down. There y'all are. Hey, look how pretty you are. That golf cart looks almost magnificent with the sunlight shining on it there, don't it? Hey, hey, baby, hey. Whee! What a beautiful world we have out here today. It's different, ain't it? See, Daddy, it's a very different world today with all this ice and snow, yeah. Yeah. Whee! There they go. Boy, they don't have no trouble running on it, do they? Wonder which way they're going to come back. Here they come. There they go. I love those guys. Whee! Whee! Looks like the water level is up again. That's good. It got really low there for a while. It's careful now. Easy. Don't go sliding in the water. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, it's pretty down here. Yeah, maybe I'll shoot a couple of pictures here. Oh, the joy.